We are back now with the holiday edition of our series, The Upside. I visited a family farm in New Jersey that sells tens of thousands of festive plants. The Lennon family opened their greenhouse to me to share the story behind their growing business.
They're a telltale sign that the holidays are here. And for generations, these colorful, leafy plants have been key to decking the halls, even if there's some confusion over one small detail.
So before I start, what is the proper way to pronounce this plant behind me?
Is it poinsettia or poinsettia?
It's kind of like a tomato kind of thing.
What do you guys say?
We say poinsettia.
Poinsettia.
Yeah.
Whatever you call them, the numbers don't lie. More than 35 million poinsettias were sold in the U.S. last year, and approximately 40,000 of them are grown here annually at the family-owned and operated Lennon Farm greenhouses in Tabernacle, New Jersey.
When they were younger, I used to tell them Santa would be coming when the poinsettias turned red. Yeah.
I would come out in the greenhouse checking every day.
Still green.
I'd say they're red. No, they're still a little green.
Yeah.
Husband and wife Gunther and Helene work alongside their daughter Amanda and son-in-law Jordan. The couple met 44 years ago when Gunther got a job at Helene's dad's farm at age 11. Over the years, his future father-in-law became a mentor.
He kind of saw my ambition, and unbeknownst to me, he bought this ground as a wedding present for us. And here we are.
For nearly 30 years, the Lennon's greenhouses have been filled with plants for every season and home to a lifetime of memories.
I would have friends over, we'd be rollerblading through the greenhouses and they'd be like, oh my God, like, what is this? And I was like, what do you mean? It's my backyard.
You actually just recently got married.
Yes, in the greenhouse.
The newlyweds have each sprouted into roles best suited for them.
I have a hard time keeping houseplants alive.
Really?
Yeah.
That seems shocking.
Yeah. I'm behind the scenes with my mom, doing computer work, pushing papers, and he's better at, getting his hands dirty.
So for someone watching right now, how can they get their hands on one of these?
Go to your locally independently owned garden center. Yeah.
Okay.
Shop small.
Yeah. Talk me through the process from when you get the cuttings from South America to end up with these beautiful plants.
So typically cuttings come in the beginning of June as an unrooted tip cutting that we take and we stick directly into the soil in the pot. We provide mist and some tender loving care, and they turn into what you see now.
Wow. What is the proper way to care for a plant?
Poinsettias are just like people. When they're thirsty, they want a little bit of water, and when they're too wet, they don't want excess water. You don't want to put them in a drafty area, and filtered light is the best.
I guess I thought this was the flower, but it's actually the leaves that are changing color.
That's right. These are leaves. And then this part in the middle is actually the flower and the pollen that's showing there. So you don't want to buy a poinsettia that the pollen has actually fallen off of.
With years of knowledge in hand and a couple of green thumbs, the Lennon family knows how they'll grow into their next chapter.
I've seen how hard my parents have worked. I decided to step in so that hopefully they can enjoy a bit more, and my husband and I can continue it on.
I'm not retiring anytime soon.
But there will come a time. It must make you guys proud to be part of so many people's Christmas
cheer.
tradition.
Yeah. I mean, what's not to like about pretty flowers,
Yeah.
I mean, it just brings people joy. I enjoy providing that.
It's a magical place. It is so vibrant and just so colorful. And the family trait actually goes even deeper. Gunther and Helene's son, Will, he's currently getting his PhD in plant biology at Rutgers University.
You said there's a real myth about poinsettias.
So I asked them, do you have to keep poinsettias away from your pets, right? Because I was always told they're very dangerous for dogs. They said it's kind of like tryptophan in a turkey. Like, you'd have to eat so much of it to actually cause any kind of, bad reaction. It's actually just an old wives' tale.
Interesting.
Like you said, we don't need to test it. So just still
don't go feeding the poinsettias to your pets.
Keep it away.
Don't do that.
And then we're blaming the pets.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't miss the Today Show every weekday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 Pacific on our streaming channel, Today All Day. To watch, head to today.com/allday or click the link right here.